I'm Sirisha.
We were looking for interiors for our villa. We came across Aishwarya Interiors through YouTube videos. After visiting the Aishwarya Interiors work, we met Yogesh in their office. In the first meeting, we felt positive and we decided to go ahead with them.
Then we were paired with our designer, and she could understand our requirements and grasped our likings taste in the very first meeting itself. And in fact, our design was ready within 5 or 6 sittings. So we were extremely pleased with their outcome. So the ambience and the feel that is created, everybody gave positive comments that there is a lot of positive energy in our house.
I like my bedroom because it has a selection of vibrant colors.
I like master bedroom area the most.
I like first floor living room most.
I love the balcony in the room as I can study there while sunlight falls on me, and I also like the balcony because it has a viewed range.
We are pleased with the outcome. So the ambience and the positive vibes the house creates, everybody told, whoever visited our house, they told they felt positive energy. So we are happy.